everybody, this is Selena Marcel from the Wolak Learning Center. I am the Writing Tutoring Coordinator here, and I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of how to use our new WC Online service so that you can set up appointments. So, if you are looking at our summer walk-in tutoring schedule, at the bottom down here, you'll see that it says snhu.mywconline.com. If this is your first time using WC Online, what you'll want to do is open up a web browser, type in that address, so that again is snhu.mywconline.com, and it's going to take you to this page. Again, if this is the first time that you're logging in, you're going to need to register for an account. So you can do that by clicking right here. You'll enter the information that is starred. You'll need to fill out all of that info there. For your email address, it needs to be a .snhu.edu email address, otherwise it will not validate. You can enter this information here, select a password, and then you can select your email options. I recommend that you leave the options set to yes for everything. That way you can get reminders when you are coming up on an appointment, also so that if you make changes or delete an appointment, you'll get that notification. You can also register for text message alerts. These will send you a reminder a couple of days prior to your scheduled appointment. You can just enter your cell phone number here and select your carrier. Once you have logged in or registered, you can log in here, and this is what the student page will look like. This is a student account that I'm logged into, and when you log in for the first time, it defaults to the UC Writing and Conversational English schedule. If you are looking for the graduate tutoring schedule, you can use this feature right here to toggle back and forth. So you'll see this will take us to that page, and it looks a little bit different. Making an appointment is very easy. You can see here that we have the announcement. We're back on the Writing and Conversational English page. Tutoring for the summer begins on May 21st, so you'll see May 7th through the 13th. There's nothing there. Same for next week, nothing. But when we get into the week of the 21st, if you scroll down, you will see that there are a number of appointments available. You can see that any time that is white means that it is available for an appointment. Anything that is showing as green, just like this, is walk-in tutoring. What that means is that you cannot sign up for an appointment there, but if you come to see us, we have walk-in tutoring for writing going on at that time, and tutors will be here and available to help you. We also have our conversational English sessions going across the top here. These allow up to 3 people to sign up for an individual session, and signing up is very easy. All you have to do is click into one of the white boxes. For this schedule, each individual box is a 15-minute time increment. So you can click into any time that works for you. So let's say we're going to meet with Megan on Monday, May 21st at 1 o'clock. Once you click here, it will have a little bit of information here. There will be a bio, which still needs to be added here, about your tutor. Appointment limits, so meetings with Megan can be between 30 minutes to an hour in length. So I will enter that, and then I will need to indicate within this first box what I hope to accomplish in this session. So perhaps I want to work on English 120 narrative essay. Once you have done that, all you have to do is hit save, close. Page refreshes, and then if you scroll down, you'll see that the color has changed, and this orange block now means that you have an appointment scheduled in that time. If you scroll up here and click on where your name is showing, you can also see this appointment listed in your My Appointments tab. If you look at this and you realize, oh no, I actually can't meet on Monday, I thought I was setting up an appointment for Tuesday, you can do a couple of different things. If you just click on that colored block again, if you need to change the time, keep the same day but change the time, you can easily do that. So let's say I want to just keep it till 1:30. All I have to do is hit Save Changes. and then that will change, and you'll see that it's short now. Or if I realize that I can't meet on that day, you can just click it again and then hit cancel this appointment. It will verify that you want to cancel. All you have to do is click OK. Close window, and that page will refresh, and you will see that that time block is now open and available for other students to sign up. The Writing and Conversational English schedule is only available 2 weeks in advance. So right now, the only week that is available is this first week, May 21st. But if we were looking at this on May 21st, we would see this plus the following week's schedule. And you can toggle back and forth by clicking these. If you look at our graduate business tutoring schedule, that is a bit different. It also starts on May 21st. So you'll see here, May 21st, we have different times available. These tutors are only available for 1-hour time slots. You are able to sign up for up to 2 hours in any one day. And it's really important when you sign up for potentially graduate business course tutoring that you indicate what sort of help you need. That way the tutors can prepare in advance. If you're looking for a specific course, you can click right here where it says Limit To. And right now, these are the only courses that we have available with tutoring support, but we are going to be expanding that as the semesters continue on. In the fall, we're hoping to have a bit more available. But if you need help in MBA 503, you can click that, and then click to the day or time that you need. For this schedule, you can book it out all through the end of the semester. That way, if you know you have a big exam coming up, let's say the second week in June, you can click to that date, and then you can set up an appointment. And because we've set this to MBA 503, both of these tutors are available to help with MBA 503, so you can sign up for either of them. When you are finished, you can log out, or you have the option of staying logged in, and that is the process that you need to follow in order to use WC Online. You will also have the option, if you come to Writing or Conversational English support, to have an email sent to you and also to your instructor verifying your attendance at tutoring. If you have any questions at all, these are our email addresses: businesswlc@snhu.edu or writingwlc@snhu.edu. You can feel free to send us an email and we'd be happy to help you. Have a great day.